Everyone, in this video, I'll teach you how to find drafts on Facebook. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first, we're just going to open the Facebook application. Once you've opened, let's go ahead and try to add a post, but not totally post it. As you can see, I have my content here, and to save it as drafts, all you have to do is to tap on back, and you will be asked if you want to finish your post later. And on the topmost, at this option, you will see save as draft. All you have to do is tap on it to save it as draft, and you will be back to your home. And to find the draft that you've just saved, all you have to do is to slide down to your control center. And as you can see, the notify that Facebook made is saying your draft was saved. Tap to make changes. All you have to do is to tap on it to check on your draft. And as you can see, if you have multiple drafts, you will see it there as well. But do know that drafts will be discarded after 3 days. If you want to post it again, all you have to do is to tap on the three dotted icon right next to it. You can either discard or open. It's up to you. But once you've opened, you will go back again to the post that you're trying to create a while ago, and the content that you've typed will be there. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.